Sick and tired of the same old shit. Feel like I'm living on a building site. We're doing it wrong, never doing it right. We're living on a building site.
Listen, don't go flapping your gums about my little garden, alright? What happens in the tent, stays in the tent. Ready for it, boys?
Aye.
I'm always ready. Cool, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, looks alright, doesn't it?
You criminal.
Look at the purple flowers. How did you get it to do that?
It just grows like it, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, you got the old adjusties as well.
Yeah, lights are on adjusties. I've got the old extractor fan. It takes it straight out the roof.
What about your neighbours? Didn't they smell it?
Probably. That's their problem, not mine. Yeah, look at the size of that leaf.
That's ginormous.
Hobbit, Jesus Christ. Just that here.
Oi, put it up to his hooter.
Ha,
Oh,
ha,
fuck
ha,
off, you
fuck
piss-taking
that
cunts.
Classic. Right, grab the scissors, let's go and chop some of this shit up.
The air is positively saturated in a luxurious, forbidden fragrance.
Brace yourself. Incoming. Oh no, I can't stop. Look out! My apologies. My wings are too small for my body.
Fuck you. Right, chaps, steady the course. We're going in hot. Prepare for a jolly good surprise from the sky. Bombs away. Oh no. Absolute poppycock, sir.
Oh, hi there.
Fucking size of
I'll
that
have
bird.
a ticket for
Oh,
4
where?
adults,
Up
please.
there, look.
That'll be
Oh, fucking hell, it's a big old one, isn't it?
£42,
Yeah, it's like one of them fucking pterodactyls.
Oh,
Yeah, I know,
I've
yeah,
got
yeah.
cash in
Tell
my
you what, you wouldn't
purse.
want to get shit on by one of them.
Yeah,
Yeah, it'll
be
be a
there.
right old fucking mess, yeah. Yeah, it's a fucking, yeah, big birds they are, big
Enjoy your
turtle
ride.
cones.
Lovely,
Oh,
thank
look,
you.
shoes moving, let's go.
Next customer, please.
One private ticket for the Ferris wheel.
That'll be £42, please. Cash or card?
Cash.
Okay, thank you. There's your ticket, sir.
Spasiba.
Enjoy your ride.
Don't worry. I intend.
Strange bloke.
Next customer, please.
Ah, my vodka. I forgot I packed this. You won't get away this time, Dave.